E.ON had a number of challenges when it came to safety and compliance on site. During peaks of manpower on site, you can have PPE, personal protective equipment violations. Working with the apprentices from FDM and Sheffield Hallam University, we were able to identify a number of solutions to support in this optimisation activity.
So we've been working with FDM on the apprenticeship programme for 5 years. We've had a lot of success. We've had people coming onto the programme from underrepresented groups who may not have even considered a career in the technology industry.
The solution that we presented to E.ON was an artificial intelligence PPE detection system. This would constantly monitor for PPE violations in the specified areas and would pretty much automate how it was done, so there would be less reliance on manual checks and also less violations which would slip under the radar.
We set up a camera at E.ON to detect movement. If the violation is detected, we're going to send it to the operation team at E.ON and then log in the dashboard. Violations could be flagged in real time instead of relying on someone to spot them.
Potentially, this project has the opportunity to markedly reduce the number of PPE non-compliances, not just across this site, but across the whole industry. By observing what can go wrong and identifying it quickly, we can take and tackle safety culture immediately on the spot.
Overall, E.ON has seen massive potential in this project. This is because it can replace a lot of manual processes and save a lot of time and money. It would also collect data together, so E.ON could then use data-driven insights to prevent frequent violations from occurring and understand why that happened.
Working on this project at E.ON has allowed the apprentices to develop their project management and technical skills. They've been working with stakeholders to identify a problem and then working to create a solution. This is a 3-year apprenticeship programme. Within the 3 years they have completed their degree qualification, mainly in the workplace, and they've built a vast amount of experience that they would not have had access to if they had done a traditional university degree.
The experience that you'll get working within a development environment or within any other environment in a professional job site can't really be replicated through a regular uni route. The other benefit I would say is being able to work with high value clientele, and that's something that you'll struggle to do through a regular uni route.
I also have opportunity to go to FDM pods, which is designed to replicate real-world environments. I learned about data handling, automation, and integration, how to build pipelines, create machine learning projects.
The apprentices from FDM brought humility, but along with a solutions-orientated thinking, they were able to challenge the status quo and the traditional way of doing things, but bring their digital insights and a new way of looking at the world.
A lot of the skills and a lot of the languages that I learned, a lot of the processes I used to develop this project, I'd actually learned at FDM. Obviously the main one being the development skill, and that really helped me when it came to work on this project and communicating with stakeholders at E.ON.
As an information security apprentice, I work with AI integrated tools as well. FDM just released an AI pod that's going to help consultants train LLM, which is large language model for AI. This is going to help them to understand how Copilot works, create Copilot agents. FDM is very proactive in terms of AI.
As an employer, FDM offers apprentices an opportunity to continuously develop their skills and grow beyond where they are today. And as E.ON, this helps us develop further into the new energy sector.
If you're an employer, an apprenticeship allows you to build a guaranteed pipeline of diverse talent into your team and your business. What we've seen on this particular programme is high retention rates, high achievement rates, and I just think that shows you the quality of the work that they're doing.
Apprentices are critical in bridging the gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application, especially in the world of green skills. FDM as a service partner has offered us great opportunities to collaborate. They're open, willing to learn and share knowledge, and that's what's kind of opened the eyes with regards to the apprentices and what we can potentially achieve. My advice for other employers would be don't treat apprentices as junior resources, but contributors from day one. They bring a new energy that can reinvigorate teams and bring a new insight into ways of working and thinking about things in a different way.